This is a part of our guest bathroom makeover series. In this video, I will be installing crown moldings with pre-made corners. Crown moldings add elegance and sophistication, offers a luxurious finish to your room. It actually elevates. I have another video in which I show in depth on how we install crown moldings in the laundry room without using pre-made corners. To measure our cuts, measure end to end. Okay, I'm about to put the last molding up, but I don't have help today. We already put these one up temporarily. They haven't been secured completely. But for this one, I have to do it by myself, and it's a relatively short one, so it won't be too hard. So what I do is I put a nail in, put one at this end, and I'll put another nail, support nail right there. Okay, so one there and one there. It just makes it a little bit easier to work. I've got this nail holding the molding, and these are the support nails right here. And I'm going to keep these in until I can get this corner just right. All right, see if I can do this with one hand. Pardon the shaking. I'm trying to hold the camera at the same time. After I did this, I was not happy with the corner. It just wasn't aligning correctly. That's because most corners are not perfect 90-degree angle, but the pre-made corners are. So to fix the problem, I used the shim under the molding to correct it. What this does, it pushes the molding forward slightly, which then will match the corner better. Then I use caulking under the space. This is what I use to make a slight adjustment under the molding to align with the corner. They are called shims and are sold at any hardware store, and this is what they look like: a tapered wedge. Skinny on the ends and wider on the other end. How I use this is, say this is the molding that's on the wall, and the end of it has to align with the corner. I slide the thin end under the molding until the molding is even with the corner. And then I mark it with a pencil or a pen. And with an X-Acto knife, I cut it, and it snaps off. This is the part I insert into the bottom of the molding. This is what it looks like underneath. I fill the space with caulking, and you won't even be able to know it's there. Now that I'm happy with the corner, I will continue caulking the joint. Now I'm just going to wipe off the excess. I'm going to let this line dry and then reapply again some more, and then I'm going to sand it before I paint the corner. Here I'm just continuing to add the finishing nails, but I don't pound them in completely yet. That's just in case I have some adjustments to make. Once I'm happy with the placement of the moldings, I use a nail punch to drive the nails all the way in. Our walls are textured, so I'm using tape right underneath the molding to help me make a straight caulking line. I don't do this method on top of the moldings since the ceiling is white and it just blends in. I'm using spackling to fill in the finishing nail holes. It goes on pink and dries white. And already it's starting to look a lot better than it was. And this is how it looks finished. I love how it looks. I am pleased on how they turned out. And it fits in my color scheme of white and gray perfectly. Crown moldings add elegance, sophistication, offers a luxurious finish to your room. It actually elevates the bathroom. And I think the bathroom and laundry room should not be missed. But I will now explain why I use pre-made corners and what I didn't like about them. We had them lying around the house for a couple of years, so I decided to go ahead and use them. I forgot why I didn't use them previously when we did the moldings in our family room. They are only good if you have perfect 90-degree corners. Our walls corners are not perfect, but I decided to go ahead with them. I had a lot of work with these, and frankly, I prefer to do the miter at corners using our miter saw. So needless to say, next time I will not use them ever again. Thank you for joining me on our crown molding installation. Hope it was helpful. Stay tuned for the next upcoming videos where I will be repainting the walls, baseboards, door, sink, cabinet, and installing peel and stick tiles. This is a work in progress, so stay tuned. If you like this video and want to help my channel grow and keep up with what I'm doing, leave a thumbs up and subscribe to get new notifications. And thank you for watching.